The question is, can a battery-operated snowblower really take on a pretty big snow job? Welcome to a Techstination hands-on review. We've been waiting a while to be able to test out the SnowJoe 100-volt iONPro snowblower and what it can do. It was sent over by SnowJoe months ago, but until now, no snow. I'd been using a gas-powered snowblower for years with the pull start, the gasoline, oil changes, etc. With this, I charged up the 5-amp battery and was ready to go. I gave a quick spray of WD-40 to the chute and the blades to keep the heavy, wet snow today from sticking. This is a 100-volt 5-amp battery, and this snowblower from SnowJoe can hold 2 of them. The carry handle for the battery doubles as a light, a flashlight, and there are also 2 USB ports that you can use, so even when there's no snow around, you can make use of this powerful battery. How quiet is this? Well, you can hear me, and if we were using a more traditional gas-powered snowblower, you'd never be able to hear me. I went over this once. This is like a 3-day snowfall. I went over this once yesterday, and with more snow overnight, we're going over it again today. I've certainly been skeptical about whether a battery-powered snowblower could do the job, but you can see here there's plenty of snow throwing capability. You can adjust the chute with buttons here, which makes it very simple to change the direction. And you can adjust the angle with the handle on top. So you can see the SnowJoe tackled this job pretty well, doing the driveway and the walkway. We went over this yesterday when the snow first started falling and came back at it today. Snow is still coming down some, but very impressed with what a battery-powered snowblower, this one, the 100-volt model, can do. In a nutshell, the SnowJoe 100-volt iONPro snowblower really can get the job done, but you may have to go back for a recharge, or perhaps better yet, invest in a second battery if you have a big driveway and walkway and the snowfall is more than, say, 6 to 8 inches. Look for more from us at Techstination.com.